Do you know what I love about my life? I get to wake up every single day and do something that I love. I get to inspire people to do the things that inspire them. It's the most wonderful thing in the world. In fact, the best part is trying to figure out all the different ways I can do it. So here's one of them. This portion is called thinking out loud. All right, truth. I am grounded in tradition and I derive feelings of safety and security from the tried and true. That may be why a sudden change in my life is having such a draining impact on me. I mean, I am mentally exhausted, but change is often very good. And this change will be especially good for me when I learn to adapt to it. We know this to be true with our habits as well. You may not yet be able to imagine that possibility, but you will soon gain a great sense of satisfaction and pride from what is taking place right now in your life. And it will become a lasting source of validation that you are doing all the right things. So keep pushing, keep moving forward. I'm rooting for you. I'm excited.